Hi guys. I'm doing the Google Classroom tutorial on how to set up the Google Classroom if you're wanting to use it in your classroom. On the website, there's more information, and YouTube videos goes into more depth once you get into the classroom. So this is just the very basic set it up sort of thing. So what you want to do is this: you want to go to your Google icon here. And you can go straight to Google Classroom by clicking on this tile, or you can type it in Google Classroom and go to it this way. My son and his gaming stuff. All right, click the right link. Okay, so this is what Google Classroom looks like for me. When you're going to set it up, obviously you won't have these things. You have to set them up for yourself and how you want them. So to do that, you go to this little plus right here, and you click on the plus. It's the add, and you can join a class. This is what you'll have your students do: is go to this plus, and they'll click join class, and you'll have a code that they will, you put the code on the board and have your kids type in this code and hit join, and they'll automatically be added to your class. So there's no need to write in emails or write in student ID numbers or anything like that. The easiest way is to have them type in the code, and then they just go to the class. So you don't have to do anything but set up your classroom. So back to the plus, this is also where you create a class. So I'm going to hit create class, and my class title, I don't know, just make it easy right now, Google Classroom. And the subject, I don't know, learning. And then you hit create, and it creates your class. Apparently mine's creating it slowly. All right, so once you come in, this is your classroom. This is where you do everything that you want to do. Let me start with going to students. Right here's that code I was talking about that you give to your students. I put in this code, and it'll automatically add them to this page. You can also send emails to the guardians. Students can post and comment. This is important. Until you've set up rules about how to use Google Classroom, you want to make sure you have this off, because as soon as the kids realize that they can talk to each other and they haven't been instructed on, what the rules are when you do talk to each other, it can become a great big mess real quick. So I usually make sure that's off unless we're doing something collaborative. So anywho, back to, this is what the kids will see when they go in. They'll see all of this: stream, students, and about. I'm not sure if they'll see the students. They might. I don't know. Haven't looked. The stream. So this is where you can add classes, add assignments. You can make announcements, create questions, things like that. Let's just create an announcement. Hello, class. Announcement. I can add things to it from my drive if I want to. Sometimes I do with instructions. You can, make links, all that kind of stuff. Add videos. I love it. So I'm going to close that out. Just wanted to show you. Once you're done, you post it, or you can schedule it. Maybe you don't want to assign it yet. You want to save it for a day that you're absent. I do a lot of this when I'm absent for my kids. If I know they're going to be absent, I'll just, give them their assignment online. And then you could schedule it. I'm not doing that right now because this is just an example. And then when you're done, you post it. So posting, hello class, very cool. All right, assignments. There's more in-depth things about this for assignments on the other YouTube videos that I have on this webpage. So I'm not really going to get into that right now because they do a pretty good job of it. This is cool. I like the create a question. It's a real quick, simple exit ticket kind of useful thing, for better lack of a word. Students can edit answers. You want to make sure this is off so the kids aren't going in and changing other people's answers, because they will. All right, let's see what else we have here. Let's go to about. About that, this is one of my favorite things. If you use certain websites in your classroom a lot, instead of having kids go to that classroom all the time or typing in, to go to that website, you can put it all here. It's very easy. Add class materials. Let's say I want to we use my classroom website a lot. This is Alan's website. And then I put what it is. I create that thing, I add my link. Add link. Then you post it. And then when the kids come in, they can go to the About section and just click on whatever website they're going to that day, and they can get right to where they need to go. I really like this tool. I have it for Alex, IXL for me, Moby Max, Typing Agent, all that jazz. Another one I could add. I don't know if you guys have used this yet. It's so cool. If I can spell Emily, I think grammar. Yeah, and then I'm going to add the link. Let's find out what the link is. Grammarly is this awesome site. Once I started writing papers again for my OSU classes, this site makes it so that it checks your grammar, because my grammar is not always the best. Post that there. I'll show you what it is real fast. So you click on new. I can't wait for I know this makes no sense, but I just want to show you how it works. It could fix this, but I guess it's not. However, it does fix a lot of things. I did the professional. I paid for the professional thing, but then I was charged like $133, and it was a ripoff. I was like, no way, it's too much. So, anyways, I thought I would just show you how you can use this, and it goes right up there for you on your computer. Another useful tool is this Screencastify, which I'm using right now. You can record your head in it too, but I'm in my pajamas and you guys don't need to see that. This also is a part of Google. So you can Google it. Well, it's part of the Google Chrome thing. Anyways, you can Google it. It's called Castify. All right, back to Google Classroom. So I just entered another resource that we can use in the classroom, and that is just how you set it up. It's pretty easy. Someone must have forgot that. You can invite teachers also, and I'm going to end it now. So thanks for watching.